According to Fidelity, a single GameStop share was traded for around $18,289. GameStop shares have hit the ask price of $175 million. For context, during the January 2021 run, this was $69,420. God bless America, power to the players, apes are not leaving, and apes most certainly are not selling. Now, all of this data is according to FINRA and could be reported as another glitch, but even InvestorTurf tweeted this. InvestorTurf did receive an anonymous tip regarding GameStop being traded at a price of $18,000 per share on an exchange. This strange event is not uncommon and occurs frequently. Here's a little secret: what you are witnessing is probably not a glitch. They disclaim that this was not their evidence and they did not come out and state this. However, the stuff that's happening usually happens with ticker symbols AMC and GameStop and GameStop only across several different platforms and exchanges. InvestorTurf comes out and basically states that this is not the first time you're seeing this, and a little secret, it's not a glitch. Now, would you guys sell your GameStop shares at $18,000 a share if it went to that price right now after hours? Would you be selling at that price? Do you think this is just another glitch, or do you think we're not getting the actual best order execution and best price that the price is actually trading at based off of supply and demand? I think you all know where I stand on this and where most apes stand on this, but you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. My name is Lottery Stocks. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. If you guys enjoy today's video, because we are going to go over some important stuff that actually came out after I uploaded the other video, please just hit the like button. It helps me out, and this is the only time throughout the video that I'm going to ask you. Also, if you guys want to, hit the subscribe button and have post notifications on so you don't miss another upload. AMC fails to deliver. Just came out, the summary for April. It was a little bit delayed on the SEC half side of things, but the average number of FTDs per day for April 2023 is 7,251,051. That is the average number of FTDs per day. Just to put that into perspective for you, not one single stock on the stock market trades an average above 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, at least no blue chips, right? If you're looking at blue chips, even 1 million is out of reach. Now, here is the legitimate chart for the FTDs that got released to us, and this is very, very important and exciting. Aside from all of the bank failures, aside from everything happening with the economy, we know that this accumulation period in red on AMC only happened a couple times. It happened before the January of 2021, and it happened when we sold off out of that pennant. Of course, when we got naked shorted to the downside and then had that run to $30. So you had that major run where the buy button was taken away, the major run to 70 in June, and then the major run to 30 before we got halted several times to the downside, which means that the algo is putting us in that same scenario, that same exact situation, alongside these glitches, alongside this accumulation of fails to deliver. The accumulation of fails to deliver are extremely high, and on one single day back here, you saw this accumulation in failed to delivers on one single day run us all the way up here, and now you are seeing them day by day, back to back to back to back to back to back to back. I think they pinned AMC's price as low as possible, and if you take a look where it got very, very high a day after it was reported, you will see that AMC hit its relative low very, very recently on the charts, right at early April. So this accumulation could point towards another rip going forward. This is something that we definitely should be paying attention to as a community, and I'm getting excited to say the least. Now, I posted a video earlier about this DTC haircut thing, and a lot of people might not understand it because I didn't go in depth, because I don't like to make my videos too long. This is the list of lenders effective today, May 2nd, the DTCC haircuts, and I'm going to break it down for you really quick. So shout out to Let Me Be Frank on Twitter. Understand the letter. DTC's document from May 1st, global systematically important banks, GSIBs, feature highly. This could be a problem. A brief analysis piece. Okay, so who? Many global systematically important banks. What? Their collateral is having its value dropped by 30 to 50 to 100% depending on the flavor of the collateral. Why is this happening? Given that so many different types of financial instruments, mortgages, stocks under $10 a share, municipal, city, and state bonds with safe risks such as AAA are receiving haircuts, having their values slashed by 30 to 100%. This tells me that their risk rating agencies screwed up again and placed low risk AAA ratings on financial instruments and financial products that are cat shit wrapped in dog shit covered in bird shit. What does this mean? Basically, a bunch of stocks, mortgages, which are bundled, municipal bonds, and other financial objects that the big banks were using as collateral for loans have been given haircuts by the DTCC. Now, what is a haircut? A haircut is when the value of something is chopped off. Let's say I have a bond that the rating agencies have said is AAA, which is very high quality and not very risky, and the bond was valued at $1,000. I can then use that $1,000 valuation to go out and to talk to other banks and say, hey, I'd like to loan, I'll use this $1,000 bond as collateral for this loan. And the bank says, okay, here you go. Here's X $1,000 in the form of that loan. That $1,000 bond is collateral. I'll hold on to that $1,000 loan as collateral. But wait, the DTC came out with a letter yesterday saying that these highly rated AAA bonds are now worth less, and in some cases, far less. The DTCC has said that the AAA municipal bonds receive a 25% haircut, so now your $1,000 bond is actually $750, and if your bond was rated BBB plus to BBB negative, it receives a 30% haircut, and if your bond was rated BB plus to BB negative, it gets a 100% haircut. That means your BB plus to BB negative or anything under has a value of $0 now as collateral. I hope that is a somewhat decent breakdown for you guys. I thought it was a pretty solid breakdown as to what's happening with these haircuts. Basically, banks don't have money. Banks are doing this to save their own ass. Now, besides prepping for what's about to happen with AMC and GameStop over the next couple of weeks, prepare what's to happen tomorrow with the overall market, because it could kick things off and really hurt short sellers. You know, you are seeing a lot of stuff happen alongside the banks, but these Chinese stocks, these Chinese companies running thousands of percents, which you know where we stand on that. The FOMC rate hikes estimates for tomorrow: Barclays, BMO, Bloomberg, Credit Suisse, CIBC, Citi, Goldman Sachs, Gavin Capital, HSBC, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, TD, Visa, Wells Fargo are all betting 0.25 BPS, which is exactly what I think it's going to come out at. If it comes out more, market die. If it comes out at this, market probably die. And if it comes out less, it's just not going to come out less. Guys, real quick, if you want up to 15 free stocks and a chance to win $30,000 for free, just hit my link, download Moomoo, and make a deposit into your account so you can start earning free stocks from there. All you have to do is make a deposit. It can literally be a penny. It takes 2 minutes to do so out of your day, and it's free money. So make sure to go get a chance at 30 grand just for doing that. Also, guys, pop in Discord. I'm going to leave both of these linked in the top of comments to get your free stocks and to join the Discord. Do not miss out on the Discord. We have options trading signals in there. We post losses, post gains, and talk stocks all day long, so truly don't miss out on that. Overall, guys, I felt like I had to get this out to you. Hopefully you enjoyed watching or found value out of the video. Make sure to share the video everywhere that you can. Drop a comment down below to engage the algorithm. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, have post notifications on. I love you all. Peace.